Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we will walk you through on how to unsuspend your Twitter X account. Open your web browser, search Help Center Twitter. Scroll down, then select About Suspended Account. Scroll down and select How to Unsuspend Your X Account. Scroll down and select File an Appeal. Click on Log Out and the X application will open. Input your number or email to request a code to reset your password. Enter the code sent to your email or phone number and your account will be unsuspended. Make sure to follow the community guidelines to avoid suspending your X account again. That is it for today. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.